Bitcoin is the first digital currency which was created in 2009 by an anonymous person named Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is very important because of its nature, which means decentralization does not mean controlled by the government or banks, and the transparency that is owned where every transaction is recorded on the blockchain. In addition, Bitcoin can be used in anywhere, anytime, make it global. Bitcoin payment system works by using blockchain technology, namely a digital ledger that records all transactions. Blockchain uses cryptography to security and transactions in Bitcoin mined by computers through a process which is called mining process. This requires special equipment and energy, which is quite large. Main advantages Bitcoin is its ability to process transactions quickly without low-cost transfer broker compared to banks, and potential continued increase in value from time to time. But Bitcoin also have a risk. Bitcoin has significant risks, especially the very high price volatility high, which can cause fluctuations big in a short time. Besides that, regulatory uncertainty and potential restrictions from the government can influence its use. Security also becomes a tension due to hacking risks and losing access to a digital wallet can, resulting in loss of assets, and lost password or private key may result in loss of Bitcoins permanently. Liquidity can also be wrong, especially in a market that's smaller or when the market is experiencing pressure where it is difficult to buy or sell Bitcoin without affect prices. And the last significant limited adoption and lack of general understanding can hampering Bitcoin's potential as an asset primary or means of payment. To buy Bitcoin, first choose cryptocurrency exchange platform that trusted like Binance, Coinbase, or ShopJP2. After choosing a platform, to create account with personal information and verify your identity through the process KYC, know your customer. After the account verified, deposit funds using available methods such as credit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet. Once the funds are in, look for Bitcoin BTC and specify the amount you want to buy. You can buy Bitcoins in bulk, small or full, according to your budget. Be sure to check the information transaction before proceeding with the purchase. After purchase, Bitcoin will be saved in the platform wallet. Is recommended for transfer it to a personal wallet that more secure like wallet hardware. Last, Treasure Gear monitor movement. Bitcoin price. Because of its volatility, high investment in Bitcoin requires risk understanding, so make sure to always do research. The high price of Bitcoin can explain through several key factors. Firstly, Bitcoin has a finite supply, limited to only 21 million Bitcoins can be mined, so as to create scarcity. Of this concept of scarcity driving demand, because many people see Bitcoin as an asset that valuable and limited, similar to gold. In addition, Bitcoin is known as an attractive form of investment because its decentralized and free nature from government or institutional control. Finance provides a sense of security for the investors from inflation or instability. Demand economy continues to increase, coupled with increasingly widespread adoption by individuals, companies, and even certain countries also encourage Bitcoin price higher factor. Another is the mining costs, which continued increase, and market volatility, which can make the price of Bitcoin fluctuating sharply, creates opportunities for traders and investors to gain profit.